I'll never forget this moment. I was a senior in high school, and I finally had decided I wanted to be a professional drummer. I was really excited, and so I told one of my music teachers, and you know what he said? He looked me in the eye, and he said, "I just don't think you have it in you. I don't think you're ever going to be able to play the drums the way you want to be able to play them, or the way you need to be able to play them to be a professional drummer. I just don't think that it's a realistic dream." That was probably the most soul-crushing thing anyone ever said to me about my drumming. That nearly ended everything before it even began. At that moment, I had two choices. I could either agree with him and give up my dream, or I could prove him wrong. And fortunately, I picked the second choice. And I was lucky because not too long after that, I had another teacher who told me something completely different. He said, if you simply decide that you're going to be really good at the drums, then you can be. That changed everything. I started practicing every spare minute I could, sometimes several hours a day. I wasn't waiting around for permission anymore. I had made the decision to become the drummer I wanted to be and prove that first teacher wrong. And I chased it like my life depended on it. And by the way, that wasn't the last time that I was discouraged. I auditioned for military bands 4 times before I finally passed the Army band audition. I've dealt with injuries. I've had other people doubt and discourage me, and even worse, sometimes I even doubted myself. But that first experience taught me something that I've never forgotten. Here's what I've learned and what I hope encourages you today. Number 1, nothing replaces persistence. It's not about how much natural talent you have. It's about showing up every day and doing the work, even when you don't feel like it, even when it feels like you're not getting anywhere. Number 2, sometimes you have to believe in yourself even when no one else does. Not everyone will see your potential, but as long as you do, that's enough. Number 3, if you want to be really good or great at the drums, you can be. Not if you're gifted or got lucky, but just if you really want it enough to go after it. If someone's ever doubted you or you've doubted yourself, I hope this encourages you and keeps you going. Leave a comment and tell me your story. I read every single one. And if you're on this journey to become a better drummer, I have tons of videos that'll help you with that. Subscribe, stick around, and let's do this together. We'll see you in the next video.